How to make 馄饨. In Shanghainese dialect, it's 馄饨. First, we'll make the filling. Add some bok choy or any vegetable of your choice to boiling water to parboil. In this video, I'll be making a filling of bok choy, ground pork, and shrimp. These are the traditional fillings, but you can add whatever you like. Once the vegetables are done, remove them from the water. Add the vegetables to cold water to stop the cooking process. Next, take some ground pork and chop it to make it more fine. This will improve the texture of the filling. Add cooking wine to remove the bad smell of the meat. This is about 2 tablespoons. Add salt to taste. We season each ingredient before mixing it all together because the different ingredients absorb seasonings differently. Next, we'll season the shrimp paste. We don't want to mince the shrimp too much or else we'll lose the texture of the shrimp. Like before with the pork, add some cooking wine to remove the bad smell of the shrimp. Add salt to taste. Now we'll cut the vegetables. Squeeze out any excess water from the bok choy and cut the green ends off. Separating the two parts of the vegetable will make the cutting process more efficient. Choy vertically first, then horizontally. Process with the white ends. done cutting the vegetables, squeeze out the water again. Add salt to the vegetables and mix thoroughly. Let it sit for about a minute. Adding salt will season the vegetables and draw out more water, which will squeeze out again. Remove as much water as we can from the vegetables so that the wrapping process will be easier. A wet filling will make the skins of the wonton soggy and difficult to handle. Add the shrimp, then the pork, to the vegetables and mix thoroughly. Once the filling is mixed, add a little more soy sauce to taste. Lastly, add a generous amount of sesame oil or any oil of your choice to lock in the moisture. When wrapping the wonton, don't add too much filling. Just about a teaspoon is enough. Fold the wrapper twice, then bring the ends together and secure the ends with water. Make sure you use your finger to leave a space in the middle to ensure the wonton cooks properly. Add the wonton to a pot of boiling water. Stir to make sure they don't stick to each other or the pot. Once the water comes to a boil again, add a cup of cold water. Do this twice and stir occasionally. You'll know when the wonton are done when they're floating on the surface of the water. Soup, add dried shrimp, salt, soy sauce, and a teaspoon of lard for extra flavor. Then add boiling water and let the lard melt. Add your wonton to the soup. Then garnish with some green onions, and then you're done. Thank you for watching.